Before you trust any website that claims it can secretly access someone's Snapchat, you need to hear this. Today, we're taking a closer look at SnapChade, a tool that's being promoted online as a way to view private Snapchat information such as hidden snaps, chat history, or even watch stories anonymously without being detected. At first glance, the website makes these features sound very convincing, with professional-looking pages, download buttons, version numbers, and even counters showing how many people supposedly downloaded the tool. However, when you take a deeper look at how SnapChade actually works, several questionable elements start to appear. Many websites like this rely on curiosity around social media privacy and promise features that sound powerful but may not realistically exist due to the strong security systems used by Snapchat. Instead of providing a direct download, users are usually redirected through multiple pages that ask them to complete a verification step before accessing the tool. This verification often involves surveys, installing apps, or signing up for promotional offers, which is a common structure used in task-based affiliate marketing funnels. These systems are designed to generate commissions whenever users complete tasks, rather than providing the software that was originally advertised. Another thing to notice is the use of aggressive pop-ups, promotional redirects, and third-party offer pages that make the process feel more like a marketing campaign than an actual software download. You may also see fake download counters, star ratings, or comments that attempt to make the tool appear more legitimate. Because Snapchat's security is built to protect private messages and account data, claims about accessing hidden snaps or private chat histories should always be approached with caution. So while SnapChade may look convincing on the surface, it's important to carefully evaluate these kinds of platforms and understand how many of them operate before trusting the promises they make online.